Newman, Chief Analyst at TM Forum. Really pleased to be joined today by Basma Driss. Basma is Senior Partner Manager, Cloud and Automation at Deutsche Telekom. Good morning, Basma. How are you?
Good morning, Mark. How are you?
I'm good. So we're here to talk about service assurance. So can you tell us a little bit about why, from a Deutsche Telekom perspective, it's such an important strategic issue?
We at Deutsche Telekom in the group, we are creating our telco as a platform which should be the production model for any services that we deliver to fulfill our ambition to be the leading digital telco. And as part of the telco as a platform, we have automation and data and analytics together with cloudification and disaggregation are the fourth paradigm of base for our platform.
And do you have a clear vision and a roadmap and a timetable for what you want to achieve?
Sure. We started many years ago to automate and transform our NOCs. And we call it this phase that we are cleaning our house, transforming our NOCs to be customer-centric and to use more and more automation. We deployed already these digital NOC in four. We have 4 deployments, and we are working on the next phase to deploy further, and also to add more and more automation, AI, and machine learning on top of that, so that at the end we move from our proactive operation to more and more to move from our reactive operation to more and more proactive and using cognitives and analytics capability to do that.
And I guess when we think about service assurance in the context of services that operators want to offer to their customers, can you talk us through that? Why it matters in terms of future services for telecoms operators?
Our customers are expecting from us more and more individualized services. They are expecting from us an experience like hyperscaler, where with one click you get your service, and then you can also see what you are getting, what you are paying for, and high quality. We would like also to grow in the B2B business, and for the B2B business to grow, we need to have programmable solutions which are secure, which are fulfilling the SLAs that our enterprise customer are expecting. So this is becoming even more important when we are introducing network slicing and these kind of services, or 5G campus network. Assurance is fundamental, and it's no more, the next step after the orchestration. It should be by design that you need from day one to deliver quality and to deliver the customer what they are paying for. And give them also a dashboard where they can monitor that.
And how far away do you think that vision is from being realized? It's something that's a year away, or 2 years away, 3 years away?
We are in our transformation journey, so especially when we are now doing new services, that's, as I said, by design, so that's easier for the new services. And the problem, especially in the B2B area, that has been highly individualized. So there are projects with especially large customers where you have specialized dashboard or specialized SLA, and we had to do individualized solutions. But now with our approach towards our TAP, that we really simplify, productify, and scale these kind of solutions, and offer more and more reliable and scalable services to our customers.
And sometimes that discussion about service assurance and network slicing is within the context of 5G. But I guess it doesn't have to just be 5G. It can be any sort of connectivity needs service assurance.
Look, in DT, we would like to deliver always the best network. So, and of course, the best experience to our customers. So, service assurance for better customer experience and to deliver the best network performance has been always in our DT mission, and that's why. And you cannot do that if you don't have service assurance and put more and more effort in automating the service assurance and doing more and more closed loops and combine the orchestration with the closed loop in the different domain as well as on the end-to-end service layer.
And in terms of how to achieve what you want to achieve in service assurance, are there clear? Is it clear what you need to do? I mean, do you have a framework, a structure for doing this? Are there standardizations that you can follow?
One of the things that we are driving on a global level, I'm part of a program called Drive Network Automation on a group level, working together with the NatCos and different teams that we would like to harmonize our architecture. So we have a blueprint architecture that we agreed on, of course, based also following ODA and TM Forum architecture framework and using open APIs between to integrate the applications, and I'm happy that I didn't hear any more OSS and BSS. So it's all about a horizontal platform with orchestration and assurance capabilities. And also, it is very, very important for us now. We are looking really to expose our capabilities to third parties. So that's become even more important to have standardized interfaces to enable us to work with partners and third party and open and provide insights for the network to enable unleash new use cases which were so far not possible.
And is it challenging in terms of what are the main challenges you have to overcome in deploying your service assurance framework and strategies?
So yesterday we were talking about these challenges when we present our NOC transformation, and let me start. One of the internal challenges is really breaking the silos. I mean, when we start harmonizing, when we start looking to reuse and scale up, I mean, having buy-in from the different organization, having their support and agreement with them that this is really the right way to go, and to give up maybe some of your legacy or something of your base that you have been developing in the last years, and follow a more scalable approach and cost-efficient approach. So breaking the silos, selecting the right partners is very, very important. And I'm in my daily job, I really look for to change the way how we engage with partners, and it's not for me not just vendors and suppliers, it's partners and how we select them. I mean, get away from these thousands of SOX requirements and long engagement period and complex RFQs and proof of concepts without end.
Way, I guess.
Exactly, engage, and this is what we started now. This is our use case. Here, partner, please work. We work together to develop them together. In a co-creation approach, using our data and in a continuous improvement way of working, jointly learn and improve and develop solutions that benefits for both parties.
So I think we agree it's a very important project for the industry, and it sounds like you're making great progress. So Basma, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Mark.